In today's class, we're going to be learning about letter W with Ohafia words. W makes we in Igbo. Now let's take a look at a word. We're going to look at we in Igbo. In Ohafia, we means to pour. You can see my jug, right? You're going to see me pour in water into that pot. We, I am pouring water into it. We, awega, mini, ime, ite. That is how you use we. Another one is wopa. You see that water actually wopaya. Ime the cup. Inside the cup. Iko is cup. Awobalemia. You see? That is what it means to wopa. Wopa means to pour it in. Now, you know, they actually talk about water and pouring something in, okay? So you can use wopa or we. Now, you want to pour out the water in that cup into somewhere else. God say, wopo mini dini make up. Wopo, yeah. So, see? Wopo, yeah. We have poured out the water. That is how you use wopo mini. I hope you can see the difference between we and wopo. Now you have learnt about wopo, we, woba in Ohafia. Go ahead and practice and keep telling me more about it in the comment section. If you know any more words, please put it. You must be ready to learn Ohafia this year. See you.